Fire alarm test part 1. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and let's get started. This is a fire alarm. Just jump in. Let me check the store. 25/8. Alright, so just in the case of a fire, I got this thing. So I'll put it in my house in episode 2. Or probably 5. Yeah, probably episode 5. Now, there we go. Alright. And it came from this thing. Because the light would turn on. There we go. And now when something's on fire, look at this. Now it's going. And now I can get a key now. Let me just get my key. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of our video today. Wait 1 second. And that's going to be the end of our video today. Hope you like and subscribe and comment what if I should do episode 2 or part 2. But make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.